Hello guys, welcome to this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to merge 3D models inside our scene. So let's get right to it. So this is the furniture that we have shortlisted, and we are going to merge one furniture at a time inside our scene. I'm going to show you a simple way of merging it inside our scene. So the first thing that you want to do is to select the furniture that you want to merge. For example, if we are going to merge the armchair, this is the downloaded zip file for it. So we are going to extract it over here. But before we extract, make sure that it is inside a folder. If the file already has a folder inside it, we'll just say extract here. Once you have extracted the file, let's rename the folder, say armchair. Okay. Inside this folder, as you can see, we have the max files as well as the material and the maps that the model has. So first, the thing that you want to do is to copy this address. Let's copy this address, go into our max, and from here we'll choose file, import, merge. Let's paste this address over here, enter. Now let's select the max file that we want to choose. I'm going to choose this max 2015. Open, select the model or the group, press OK. Now let's go to the perspective view. So as you can see, the model is merged inside the 3ds Max, but this model does not have textures. Okay, so once you have merged the file, it is very important that you also choose the texture. So what we are going to do is as you know, we have this address bar. We have to copy this address again, and then we will go into the file, reference, and asset tracking toggle. Click on this. Here you have to press refresh. Once you press refresh, you will see a lot of missing files. File missing, file missing, file missing. All this texture that is missing file is of the model that we have just merged. So we want to select this, all the missing files, right click, and here set path. Click on this, and here I'm going to paste the path that we have copied. Furniture armchair. Press OK. Once you press OK, you will see that it has taken all the path and the textures that were missing. And once you see this, now you can see inside our max file that the model has the correct materials and the maps applied to it. Now let's just position this model inside our scene. For this, I'm going to hide the ceiling. Let's hide the ceiling and place it over here inside the camera. Let's hide the walls also. So we only have the flooring. So I'm just going to rotate it and place it over here and see how it looks like. Okay, we are just going to place it closer to the fireplace. Now that we have merged one single model, let's merge another model. The process and the procedure is exactly the same. I'm going to show you to one more time. So we are going to go inside file, import, merge. But before we merge, let's choose the model that we are going to place. Let's say we want to place this stools or maybe sofa. So select the sofa, right click on it, and so this particular does not have the folder inside it, so I'm going to say right click, extract to whatever folder. Here I'm going to rename it again to sofa, and I'm going to copy this path, go into the Macs, file, import, merge. Now select the file that you want to merge, press open. Okay, let's go to the perspective and see if the sofa is here. Now as you can see, we have merged the sofa, and now we want to place the material that comes, apply the material and the maps that comes along with it. So go to the file menu, go to the references, asset tracking toggle. Here refresh, press refresh. Once you press refresh, you will see the files missing. Select all the file missing, right click on it, set path, and then paste the path for the maps furniture sofa and press OK. Now that we have all the maps taken path, let's go and see. So as you can see, this model does not show the maps that is there, but you don't have to worry about it because it has taken the maps and it will show in the render. So I'm going to place the sofa over here. Let's say somewhere like this. Okay. Now I'm going to choose and place our coffee table again. I'm going to show it one more time, and after that I'm going to place the remaining furniture by myself. So let's just open this and see, okay, this does not have the maps as well. So close and extract to whatever folder. Now I'm going to say rename it to bench, and inside this, as you can see, all the maps are inside the different folder. So I'm going to copy this, cut it and place it inside this folder. Delete this. Now I'm going to select this bench path, copy the bench path, and then merge it. File, import, merge, paste the path, select V-Ray. Okay. So this was not a bench. So let's just rename this to coffee table. So here we have coffee table, and then we go to file, import, merge, and we have a coffee table. Okay, let's say okay, Gary12. Select both of them, press OK. Here you can see we have the coffee table merged. Now same process, go to file, reference, toggle, press refresh, select the missing files, set path and paste. Okay, now here you can see we have the materials. Now let's position this coffee table inside our scene. So as you can see guys, we have the coffee table, the sofa and the chair. Now I'm just going to go ahead and merge the remaining furniture inside our scene. I'm just going to go forward with it and fast forward the video so that you can see what I'm doing, but I will see you once I have merged all the remaining furniture into it. So guys, now that I have merged most of the furniture, in fact all the furniture that we want to place inside this scene. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the accessories on the furniture, like TV, some artwork over here, and some accessories on the console table, plus something on the coffee table, maybe a planter over here, etc. So I'll just go ahead and do it, and I'm going to fast forward this video so that you can also see what I'm doing. Alright guys, now we have placed all the furniture and the accessories that we were supposed to put inside this scene. Now, now that you must have understood and realized and also come to know that how we are supposed to merge objects inside 3ds Max, or for virtual staging or for any other project, you can use the same process to merge the objects inside your scene. In the next chapter, we are going to apply materials to this, and we are going to fix if there are any issues with the model, or if you want to change the materials of the furniture, etc., etc. We are going to add a basic lighting so that we can test our materials and everything is looking good and correct. So I will see you in the next chapter.